Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami swan. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now fold it from one side and press it and repeat this step from the other side subsequently. Press it well. Fold it and press. Now fold it to the crease and press it well. Then from the other side repeat the step. Fold it inwards from one side and then the other. Open it. Fold the top to the top. Again fold it towards the bottom. Now fold it and press well. Fold again, folding and pressing it well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Press it firmly. Then from the other side repeat the steps. Now fold it inwards. Fold it by pressing. Forming the shape. Again fold it and press well from one side and then the other. Fold it as shown in the video. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the like button. Fold it and press. Fold the corner inwards from one side and then the other. Like this, and now form the peak. Press it inwards. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Add some detailings. From the bottom, fold it from one side and then the other. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.